returns an object. So we implemented things like this for exists, delete, save, update attributes, valid, and also transaction. All right, so the next thing I think I should show is how we got this thing to run in standalone. The reason that they were running it in Glassfish is that we needed access to all of the jars. And so it was a matter of finding out what jars we'd need in order to speak with ORM and also the business logic layer. So under config initializers, we created this Java class path file. And if you take a look down in this part, we defined the locations for some of our jars, some that were used just for the standalone app, and then our config files too, the paths to those type of directories. And we simply called our little helper add jars to class path and dir to class path, which were these recursive algorithms that would go down through this. And you can see here, all it does is simply require jar, or in the term here, use this class path expression. I think this is no longer necessary. But so that was enough. That was enough to get like JRuby script server and JRuby script console working. And let me tell you, the console, it was a big win. You can sit there and debug why things aren't working as you would expect. Warbler itself is fairly easy to set up. Under config, right where we were, there is a warble.rb file that has a bunch of configuration directives,